FIFA World Cup sang ni somni paru group stage in khelh pathuma South Africa tana khelh Jayden Adams chu kum somni pangami ni in a boral ti South Africa Sports Ministry chuan in rini July ni som pakhat sang ni somni paruga khan apuang a thi chanero minister hian a soilang lo thung Group A a Mexico le Czech Republic te a machona starting 11 a khela South Korea laka 1-0 a nena an chan tum ero khachuam substitute atangin alut thung South Korea laka nena an chan awang khan South Africa chuan avoi khatna ta knockout round an lut theita ani kha round of 32 a Canada laka South Africa chu atloma World Cup sang ni somni paruk atangin an chuak ta ani he midfielder hian South Africa a club Mamelodi Sundowns tan a khel boka sang ni somni panga ni ruk season a African Champions League trophy alak puibok Sports Minister Gayton Mackenzie chuan thu chua siamin Jayden Adams chu a ui thu asoya a chung te a tho pui te le a fans te a tor pui tak zet thu atar lang Mamelodi Sundowns le South Africa midfielder kumsom ni pangami Jayden Adams sa boral thu ka hriatin min ngong na hle a karil ruana khop mai tin a soizui bok South African football in talent eng ber pakhat a chan ani a chung te a tho pui te le academy atanga South Africa player hlotling tak ni tura kong azo chhozel dan lo thlir tu mi makta duai tel tenen kan tuar vek ani atibok South African Football Players Union point thu chua siamin an player pui thi chu an ui thu an soya a chung te a tho pui te le a khelna club te an tor pui thu an tar lang Jayden hian sangni somni paruk World Cup a hian South Africa ai a o zawh chawa rammi puite beise na chu phur takle hoi sen takin a machon ani a boral hi a chungte a tho puite a khelna club te football khawvelah rampum tan po chanan na satagani ti in South African Football Players Union SAFPU chuan an soi Adams hian sangni somni pahnia khan international match aram aya ona masaber ni turin Mozambique laga aram tan a khela voi som pathum a khel to a World Cup qualifying a goal ni a khung to bok